What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well today. My name is Andrew Kobos and this is Kobos Gaming, the YouTube channel. I also got a Twitch stream that I live stream from Thursdays to Sunday nights. Make sure you're checking out the link down below. Give it a follow, join the Pimp Fam. But today, guys, let's get right into the video. I'm gonna be bringing you guys something that's gonna help any new streamer out there who's trying to get their video game streaming set up with the consoles. Consoles mainly. I don't think this works for PC, I'm not too sure. This is for any old gen, new gen, and it's going to be a video comparing the Elgato HD60S Plus versus the HD60S. But yeah, guys, today's video is mainly because I got a lot of good feedback on the original video that I did. You can find it up here or up here on how to set up your Streamlabs OBS on the MacBook, because I was having a lot of trouble and it wasn't too long ago since I was at that point. The purpose of today's video is to help you out so that you guys don't have to go what I went through, and make sure that you comment down below if you have any questions after this video. I'm be more than happy to help you, and if you did make a decision between one or the other, let me know which one you chose. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you find this helpful, hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'm going to be adding more to just gameplay videos to the YouTube channel. It's going to be also some of these technical videos doing reviews on any headsets that I get or any electronics. But anyways, let's get right into it. So guys, the way that I see this, just as a normal consumer, somebody that's not super tech heavy, but it is enough. The HD60S, this is pretty much just the 1080p capture card. HD60S Plus is going to be the 4K capture card. If you have an old gen, just go with the HD60S. This is what I was rocking whenever I had a PS4, and it was doing well for me and didn't have any issues with it. There was just a tiny bit of a lag with the gameplay, but it's nothing crazy, especially if you're starting out. Nobody's gonna mind too much. But if you're going with the next gen console, I have just got a PS5, and that was the reason why I upgraded to the HD60S Plus. So the HD60S Plus will capture that 4K video, but also whenever you have the setup running from the PS5 all the way to through the capture card into the PC or laptop or wherever you're using, your monitor is going to show a different image.
Alright guys, so this is just a little quick image comparison from the Elgato HD60S Plus. This is it right here, so you can see there's a lot of, like, the darks are really dark, the color looks a lot just more vivid, looks more realistic in my opinion. And now I'm gonna connect the HD60S so you guys have an idea of what that looks like, and I'll put a side-by-side comparison of these two. This is the Elgato HD60S plugged in from the PS5 to a Windows PC. So as you can see, the colors are a little bit more washed out, doesn't look as dark, doesn't look as crisp, and this is pretty much the main difference, guys, between the two. You're gonna be seeing just better colors when you're playing with the PS5, or than you are gonna be with the HD60S. Like, you wanna make the upgrade so you can get your worth out of your PlayStation 5 if you are streaming through a console. I hope that this video helps you guys as you're making that decision to buy the HD60S or the Plus. Pretty much, if you got the PS4, go with the older version, the HD60S. It's gonna be great for you. It's what it's made for. And for the new gen, go with HD60S Plus.
So if you're in the next gen console, you have to go with the HD60S Plus, because otherwise there's not really any point in buying that next gen console. You're going to be having the PS4, the old console graphics pretty much when you're playing, and the colors are going to be just washed out, which, if you don't mind it, go ahead, save some money, go with the HD60S. But the price difference on this one, I believe the HD60S goes new for $180 on Amazon. The HD60S Plus goes for $200. But I personally don't like to buy anything new. I bought this one new because I had like a deal on Amazon, but for this, I got it for 120 bucks. Go on Facebook Marketplace, offer up anywhere, just make an offer to somebody. They'll usually go down on price and you can get it for a more affordable price. Because I know new streamers, you guys don't have a lot of money to be putting into this thing, and if you do have money, you want to save it and make it stretch. So that's my tip to you guys when it comes to that. And the way you set both of these up, they have the USB-C inputs. So you're gonna put this plug it in. It comes with a capture card whenever you buy it. Run it through your USB type 2.3, I believe, otherwise it won't work. So make sure you have those correctly. Then you got the input for the jack. If you're doing chat link will let you capture audio from your console. If you have a party chat, or if you got buddies, you're playing Call of Duty, you want your friends to be able to be heard through the stream, you're gonna need a chat link. But that doesn't come with any of these, you have to buy it separate. Then you got the HDMI. But yeah, the main difference is gonna be the quality. Everything else is about the same. Other than quality, the HDR10 is capable with the HD60S Plus. Okay, so when it comes to software, let's hop into the computer here. So whenever you want to set up your hardware, you're gonna need to download the correct program for it. So you wanna pull up the Elgato website. It's just elgato.com. You wanna go to the downloads tab right here, and it'll let you select which item you have. So the HD60S on the Windows, this is for Windows as well. It'll work on Mac too, but it's a different setup process that you guys would have to search. And there, again, there's going to be the link here for how to set that up on the Mac, but Windows is a lot more straightforward. So when it comes to downloading, you do the HD60S, you do Windows, and for the HD60S, you're just going to do the game capture, this one right here, download that. Once that is downloaded, here I'll open up the system so you guys know what it looks like, and this is what it's going to look like. Let me pull it up. So this is going to be the program. It's going to show here that you have the HD60S plugged in, and then to set it up, you will go to the settings cogwheel here, get that figured out, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, let me plug in my HD60S here. But yeah, guys, to set up the Elgato, here you go. There's a physical explanation of it. So this is the USB-C cable that you get with it. Plug that in the back here. Your console HDMI cable will run to this port over here. Here, I'm gonna switch this camera. So run to this port here, and then you're gonna plug in your chat link right here, which is extras, about like $10, whatever it is. And then this one is gonna be what runs from the Elgato HDMI, and then the other HDMI will run into your laptop. So that's how you set it up. The connections, I'll add a picture on the screen right now so you guys can see a better picture of that. To download the HD60S Plus software, just go to HD60S, and then you're gonna have to do 4K utility to get that to work. Download that. Once you get that running, here's what it looks like, guys. So this is what it's gonna look like when you have that going. Pretty much it, guys. So that's the software that you download for these capture cards. If you have any questions, let me know down in the description below. If you want me to do a video on how to set it up, like the software with the capture card and Streamlabs OBS, there's just a lot of videos out there you guys can look at. But this was mainly just a comparison between the two, not how to set it up. So if you need that video, I'd be more than happy to make it, and just reset my setup here to be able to make that video work. But yeah, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that this helps you guys make that decision that you gotta make, because these are about $20 difference whenever you buy them brand new. If you final closing thoughts would be, if you have a PS4 right now but you're gonna get a PS5 within the next few months, just go ahead and get this capture card, the HD60S Plus. Leave a comment down below if you guys need any help with anything. Also DM me on Instagram. Just feel free to reach out to me there. I've been helping a lot of people setting up their Streamlabs on the MacBook. And yeah, guys, I hope to see you guys next time. And as always, stay awesome, possum. Peace out.